Hi guys!
Welcome back to F for Fenley. Today we're going to do elephant's toothpaste because we just got a comment that somebody named Layla wanted to do elephant toothpaste. So here we are. So Layla, if you're watching this, like and subscribe because we're doing what you wanted to do, okay? Elephant toothpaste. So let's get started. Okay, so
We have baking soda in here.
Maybe.
We don't know if it's baking soda, but we're pretty sure it is. And then vinegar in here. Okay, so once we pour this into there, it should explode.
yes.
Can you get the close up, please?
Cameraman.
Okay, they can see it. 3, 2, 1.
Don't get the vlog exploded. Whoa, whoa, whoa! It exploded! Put all of it in. Whoa! It's exploding! Put more in. Okay guys, this is elephant toothpaste. Pour,
So cool.
pour all of it in.
There's no more left. We should get more.
Yeah.
Be right back, guys. We're gonna get more. Okay, we're gonna
Okay.
add more of the magic ingredient.
Yeah.
Vinegar.
We don't have any food coloring, so this is all we have. It always gonna change into white.
Okay, we're gonna
By
add
the way,
even
guys,
more.
if you are hearing this lightning, then it's raining outside. So just you know. So let's just get started.
We're gonna see if what will happen.
Oh, it
'cause
smells bad.
it's vinegar. So we have some right here, and well, it's basically liquid now. So we're just gonna see
I'm
what happens
gonna
when you
do
put more. Probably nothing.
Careful,
We'll
that's
see.
glass. Add all
Get a close up.
of it.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa.
Oh, guys, it's bubbling.
Don't drop the vlog in.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
No, vloggy.
This is so cool, guys. And then we're gonna check back on this later, and it should be frozen.
Yeah, let's put it in the fridge.
In the meantime, why don't we try a vinegar and salt experiment I saw online?
Let's see.
Okay, guys, we
Our cameraman saw online that if you put salt
and honey.
and vinegar
Yeah.
all together, it
Then-
might have an explosion.
Our other explosion looks like it's about to explode again. It's making sizzle sounds,
So we're gonna keep this to the side, and it should harden.
supposedly.
Oh wow.
And it will also smell
Guys.
good, apparently.
So when this explodes, we gotta get back from it, okay? So that.
Wait, before you do anything else, I also heard if you add this sugar, it should work. But first, they say to add the sugar and the baking soda.
Okay. Wait, we don't have any baking soda.
The
I mean, the
salt.
salt. Okay. Sugar going in.
Oh, that reeks.
Salt going in.
Oh, it still smells bad.
And honey. Is this true or false? Let's see. Okay.
Now, there's no explosion, but it might taste better.
I'm not gonna taste
No,
that.
I mean, it might smell better.
Okay.
What are you doing? That's the other one we made.
Well, nothing happened.
What?
The container's still sizzling.
Maybe we can mix it.
Try mixing it, and then smell it.
Oh, it smells good.
Seriously?
Let me see. You lied to us, cameraman.
I shouldn't know. Try adding more honey.
More?
Did that expire?
Probably.
I hope not.
Add more. The lady I saw put a lot in there.
It's not working.
Okay, guys, that is a fail. That did not work.
Yes,
My bad.
cameraman lied to us.
I did not mean to.
That did not work.
Maybe we could put water in it.
No, I think it doesn't
We'll
work.
try. With some soap.
I'm just gonna chuck this in here. Now we're just making things up.
Yeah, we want it to work.
Smell it.
Wait, that actually smells good.
Seriously?
Actually smells
Okay, guys, this was a fail. So,
Fail.
Because I
let's-
added the soap. I didn't see
So
that.
we have to try next time on this elephant toothpaste. But thanks for watching.
Thank you,
Bye.
Layla. Bye.